If you get logged in to a temporary profile on Windows 10, simply watch this video to learn how to fix it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home for all tech users. Do you often get logged into a temporary profile on Windows 10? For those newly affected, you won't find any of your files after getting logged into the profile. It would seem like your data is lost or got deleted. Don't worry, as your data is safe and this is simply a profile glitch. Simply follow the solutions we have shown here to fix it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve your issues. Now, let's jump into the solutions. This issue generally appears due to corruption in the system files or memory. The first thing you need to do is run SFC and DISM scans. Search for command prompt on the start menu and run it as administrator. Type the SFC command as shown and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish and restart your PC. Again, open command prompt with administrative privileges and run the DISM scan as shown. Both the commands will be provided in the description, so you can simply copy and paste it. Wait for the scan to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on the latest videos. Wait for the scan to finish and restart your PC. The next thing you can try is running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. This tool checks for corruption in the memory. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic in the search bar and open it. Click on Restart Now and check for Problems option to start the scan. The final fix you can try is making a change in the registry. Before you do it, make sure to back up your registry keys. Now, follow as shown. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run command. Type regedit and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Navigate to the key shown on your screen or simply follow the video. Under the profile list key, you will find the various profiles with numbers. Select the key with the ref count word in it. Double-click on the ref count word and change the value to 0. Click on OK to save the changes. Restart your PC. So, that's it. If our solutions helped you, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the solutions doesn't help you with this issue, join our Facebook group and share the problem with us in your own words. We will definitely try to help you out. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.